Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to jump right into this. I'm going to be priming my skin with some primers. They're all listed on the screen there. Then going in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye CC Cream in the shade Light. And I will be buffing that in with an e.l.f. brush. Now going in with Tarte Shape Tape to spot conceal anything that the IT Cosmetics CC Cream didn't, and buffing that in with the same brush. Priming my under eyes with the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector for light into medium. This step is not completely necessary, but I just wanted to do it. Now going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer right on top of that and blending that out with a beauty sponge. Now setting the areas with the Coty Air Spun Powder, typically under my eyes, sometimes around my nose and my chin. These are places where I feel like I would get oily just throughout the day. I do have more drier skin, but this CC cream is pretty dewy. Now I'm going to bronze the face with the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Cream to Powder Bronzer, just hitting the perimeters of my face. Time to lightly set everything in with the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder just to reduce some of that shine that I was talking about earlier. And with the power of editing, no brows to brows. Going in with the ColourPop x Kathleen Lights palette using the shade Magical with a fluffy brush all over the lid, and this is going to be the first wash of color. I'm trying to keep this really light, and this is typically what I do on a day-to-day basis. I kind of switch it up, but typically this is what I do. Now going in with Magical and Shooting Star underneath the eye just to deepen it up a little bit. Lightly going in with the shade Potion, and this is going to be again all over the lid, and it's going to give that more peachy color to this look. Now I'm going to add blush and bronzer to this look just to finish it off. This is going to be a peachy pink blush from Pretty Vulgar. Don't know the exact name. Now going in with the Tarte Clay Play palette and adding bronzer. That was a little bit much, as you saw. Just going to buff that in again just to kind of set everything and give a little bit more longevity to this look. I mean, do I need to say anything more? You know the drill. Highlight that face up. Set that beat with the Mario Badescu facial spray and fan it out. Mascara and lashes, going in with the Essence mascara. I said it was $5, but I seriously got this for like $3.25 at Fred Meyer. Super inexpensive, and it works really well. I don't know exactly the name of these lashes. I want to say they're a pair of Allure lashes. They kind of flare out on the outer corners, so I really like those. Now I'm going to exfoliate the lips with the Pure Cosmetics exfoliator really quickly, wiping that off with a tissue. Then I'm going to highlight the Cupid's bow once again because I obviously just wiped it off. And I'm going to top everything off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I love this lip gloss. It's so pretty. And just like that, guys, this look is complete. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know I had been gone for a while, but please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.